Since now and then MIUI 12 control center is getting more and more popularity, and not every one of us have this cheap Chinese Xiaomi device. So in this video I will be showing you how you can add the MIUI 12 control center in your device. So for that you have to install this app from Play Store and allow all the necessary permission that it asks for its efficient working. Generally the app will ask for notification permission and accessibility allowance, so make sure you enable both of these settings. So that's it guys, now just select the format of the shade that you want to apply, and now the game is on. This app has two format of control centers. Let's check out of the second format of the shade. Well, this shade looks pretty much awesome. As well as you have many options to customize the panel, like changing the icon shape, accent color and icon grid, etc. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel.